Welcome to English MCQ lesson on examination.
First question. How old was Churchill when he entered the inhospitable region of examination?
12th age.
Which subject did Churchill prefer?
History, poetry, and writing essay.
Which subject was favored by the examiners?
Mathematics and Latin.
How did Churchill describe his performance in examination?
Poor.
Who was the headmaster of Harrow during Churchill's entrance examination? Who was the headmaster of Harrow during Churchill's entrance examination?
Option B. Dr. Weldon.
What was Churchill unable to do in his Latin paper?
Option B. Answer a single question.
What did Churchill write on his Latin?
Cover of the question I.
How long did Churchill stare at his Latin paper?
Option B. 2 hours.
What was the result of Churchill's Latin paper?
Option B. He failed completely.
How did Dr. Weldon react to Churchill's Latin paper?
Option B. He passed his based on his general ability.
What position was Churchill placed in after the entrance exam?
Option C. The third or lowest division of the fourth form.
What was Churchill's correct name in the school list?
Option C. Spencer Churchill.
How many boys were below Churchill in the school list after his placement?
Option C. 2 boys.
What happened to the two boys who were below Churchill?
Option B. They disappeared due to illness or some other cases.
How is the roll call conducted at Harrow? Number 15. How is the roll call conducted at Harrow?
Option 15. Question 15. Option B. Boys files past a master and answer one by one.
What year did Churchill enter Harrow?
Option B. 1887.
Who was Lord Randolph Churchill?
Winston Churchill's father.
What position? Number 18. What position had Lord Randolph Churchill recently resigned for?
Option C. Leader of the House of Commons and Chancellor of the Executive.
Number 19. Why did large number of visitors wait on the school step?
To see Winston Churchill because of his father's prominence. To see Winston Churchill because of his father's prominence.
Number 20. What did visitors frequently comment about Churchill during roll call?
Option B. He is last of all.
Number 21. What was Churchill's attitude towards examination?
Option B. He found them challenging and unpleasant.
Number 22. What was Churchill's view on the subject chosen by the examiner?
Option B. He disliked them.
Number 23. What did Churchill wish the examiner would do during examination?
Option A. Ask what he knew.
Number 24. How did Churchill feel after Dr. Weldon's judgment?
Option B. He appreciated it and respected Dr. Weldon.
Number 25. Why did Churchill have a high regard for Dr. Weldon?
For seeing his potential beyond his exam performance.
Number 26. How did Churchill perform in the Latin prose during his entrance exam?
Option B. Poorly, unable to answer any questions.
Number 27. What was the unusual marking on Churchill's Latin paper?
Option B. His name, a question, number, a bracket, a blot, and smudges.
Number 28. How does the text describe Dr. Weldon's ability to judge student?
Option B, looking beneath the surface of things.
Number 29. What did Churchill's placement in the school list signify about his academic standard?
Option C, he was near the bottom.
Number 30. What was Churchill's reaction to the spectators' comment about his position in the roll call?
Option C, humiliation.
Number 31. How long did Churchill remain in the lowest form?
Option C, nearly a year.
Number 32. What advantage did Churchill gain by being in the lowest form?
Option C, learning English.
Number 33. Who was responsible for teaching the stupidest boys English?
Option C, Mr. Somerville.
Number 34. What did Mr. Somerville teach Churchill and his classmates?
Option B, English parsing and analysis.
Number 35. How did Mr. Somerville make English analyzing interesting?
Option B, by using different colored inks.
Number 36. What colors did Mr. Somerville use in his system?
Option B, black, red, blue, and green.
Number 37. What grammatical element did Churchill learn to identify with different color?
Option C, subject, verb, object, relative clause, conditional clause, conjunctive, and disconjunctive clauses.
Number 38. How often did Mr. Somerville students practice English analysis?
Option C, daily.
Number 39. How did Churchill benefit for remaining longer in the third fourth form?
Option B, he learned the structure of the English sentence.
Number 40. What did Churchill's school fellow who excelled in Latin and Greek have to do later in life?
Option C, come down to common English to learn their living.
What is Churchill's view on learning English?
Option C, it is essential.
Number 42. What did Churchill suggest for boys who did not know English?
Option C, they should be whispered head.
Number 43. What did Churchill consider a novel thing?
Option B, the structure of the ordinary British sentence.
Number 44. What subjects did the cleverer boy learn after moving on from the lowest form?
Option C, Latin and Greek.
Number 45. How did Churchill feel about his longer stay in the lowest form in the end?
He saw it as a great advantage.
Number 46. What did Churchill think about the boys who won prizes for Latin and Greek?
Option B, they would struggle later with common English.
Number 47. What was Churchill's attitude towards learning Latin and Greek?
Option B, he thought it should be learned as a honor or a threat.
Number 48. What did Churchill emphasize about his teaching of English?
Option C, it should be taught to all boys.
Number 49. What was Churchill's position on punishing boys for not knowing English?
Option C, they should be whispered hard.
Number 50. How did Churchill's knowledge of English help him later in life?
Option A, it gave him an advantage over those who learned only Latin and Greek.